enhanced code reader works on domestic and Asian vehicles that support OBD2 protocol. I'm excited to see what all of these buttons are about and what can it actually do. So this scanner came in a very simple white box, not really a lot of text, just the name, Innova or Innova, I'm not really sure, 6030p. All right, cool. It had a little bit of a startup guide. So quick startup guide, it just tells you that you can go on your app on your phone, connect it, set it up, I guess. We'll see if that's necessary or not. I'd prefer not to do it if I don't have to, but if necessary, I'll do it and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so it says if it's not connected to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, vehicle data may not be saved, which I'm fine with unless I'm working in the shop. I don't really need my data to be shared with anybody anyway. And you can get a full manual right there. All right, cool. So we just got one of these plastic thingies that it comes in. We're gonna take that off. All right, so let's take a quick look at the scanner itself before we plug it into a car. Nothing fancy, rubberized, rubberized coating or anything, just hard plastic, but not too bad. Let's see how long the cord is. So the cord's about, I would say like 2.5 feet or so. Not the longest, but also good for storage. So if you put it in your glove box compartment, it's not gonna take a lot of space. The screen is good size. We'll see how nice it looks once it's turned on. What I am interested in is all of these LEDs right here, and you have a bunch of buttons on the left and on the right. Obviously the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth that I mentioned in the manual. Very interesting. I've never really seen one like this. Usually they just have like a couple buttons, that's it. This one has a lot of shortcuts. I want to see how well they work, and you will know as well.